Nigeria, which way to go? I love my fatherland. I want to know which way Nigeria is heading to. Rest in peace to my Baba himself, Sonny Okosun. May his soul rest in peace. Well, I just want to talk to my people. First, where is the Tinubus now? Where is Mr. Tinubu now? Who sold my beautiful Yoruba people's sheep to Buhari? Where is him now? Some said he went hiding. I said it before. I said PDP ruled that state or that country for 16 years. It is good we let other political party try. I fought tooth and nail with my music and fight PDP so that another political party should come and try. Nigeria belongs to all of us. So I believe we have to treat ourselves equal. Since PDP have ruled that state or that country for 16 years, it is good we let another political party try. Nigeria is for all of us. That's how it's supposed to be. That is why I fought PDP, because PDP themselves messed up. But when the idea of making Buhari the president came, I said, no. Buhari is a tribalistic man. Buhari believes in tribalism and nepotism. That man is a disaster. If you make it, he will destroy Nigeria. But nobody listen to me. Everybody can see now what is happening in our country. Everybody can see what is going on in our country today. Even the Jonathan, the former president, said it, that voting for Buhari is a setback. It's like it will make Nigeria go backward, not forward. Because everything about Buhari is confusion, destruction. But nobody listened to us. That is why I said, where is the Tinubu now? He went hiding. Why I am making this video today, not just because of I want to talk, or I just want you people, because I love my people. I love the truth. So the reason why I'm making this video today is this. Yesterday, these people in government, they said this Miana, this criminal Miana, who embezzled billions of money, personal money, who embezzled this money, he diverts billions of money made for personnel into his own personal account. He was declared wanted during Jonathan regime in 2014. He ran away. Now, Buhari brought this man back and gave him position in his government. So people have been shouting, why? This is a disgrace. Buhari claimed that he's fighting corruption. How can you, a confirmed corrupt politician like Miana, how can you reinstate this man? How can you recall this man and give him position in your government? This is a disgrace. It's a big disgrace. Now, instead of these people in government to tell us that, oh, they are sorry, it was a mistake. They are not trying, they always push blame. They always push blame. They are not trying to tell us that it is Jonathan men that record him, that reinstate him and put him in Buhari government. What a shame. When they said this thing yesterday, I wanted to destroy my TV. What is going on in our country? My APC followers, PDP, this is not time to fight each other. This is not time to insult each other. Let us sit down. Especially my APC follower. Do you think it is right for this government to say such a thing that it is Jonathan or Jonathan men or Jonathan that recall this man? Is that not funny? Is this not a disgrace? Jonathan, the clueless president. The clueless. You people said he is the clueless. You people call him the weak president. Almost 3 years after leaving office, he still have the power to reinstate somebody, to record somebody and put the man and put the person give the man position in Buhari government. Is this not a shame? Is this not a disgrace? This is just like when these same people said Rat chased Buhari out of presidential office. The same. This can, if you say Jonathan, you tagged the clueless president, the weak president. See, after power, after almost 3 years after leaving office, almost 3 years, still have that power to put somebody in government, to put somebody in Buhari's government. It means this government is clueless. This government is stupid. This government is a disgrace. Really, these people in government, they are disgrace. They are clueless. They are confused. That's why they push blame. This is funny. It's just like when they said Rat chased Buhari out of office. Let me break it down, my country people. Waiting at the talk here, be say Jonathan wait and talk say na clueless president. He weak. Now so we curse him, we insult him, say he weak. This man where Buhari go put for government now. Now Jonathan government or Jonathan na in sack am 2014 say he steal billions of money where they're supposed to pay pensioner. If the man put am for in pocket, ESCC that time can't declare this man wanted. Now Buhari can't put am for inside this government. Now instead of making accept the mistake, say when they come busy, everybody don't know. Make it accept the mistake, say now he put am for government, or make it tell us the reason why he put am for government. Because this man they cite corrupt people. Now they tell us say now they fight corruption. He can't talk say na Jonathan I put am there. So Jonathan will be weak, clueless, come out for government after 3 years. If he still get power to put somebody for Buhari government, that one not be laugh, not be joke of the century. This one a joke. My APC follower, make una sit down. This is a disgrace. Absolutely disgrace. What a shame. Say Jonathan will still get power to run these people like this. If according to what they talk. This is a disgrace. It's just like when they said Rat. Did they tell the whole world that Rat chased Buhari out of presidential house? These people have no shame. They just talk something. What they know is to defend themselves, to use Jonathan to defend them, their inability to fulfill their campaign promise. They just use Jonathan as figurehead. Look now, what did Jonathan talk with that, and I can't happen now. See, voting for these people. Jonathan, I watched one video. I'm not trying to say Jonathan good, but not the truth. I watched one video. Jonathan said that. He called these people, made them see them, make we talk about it. Say they will say no, they don't come, they don't, especially Buhari, they don't come, you not go come, you not go come. He said there is anger in them, as if somebody takes what belongs to them. Now, Jonathan don't give you what belongs to you. You say you are born to rule, carry power. Fulfill your campaign promise became a problem for you. Fulfill your campaign promise. We know they'll just come here, maybe we can't talk in the name of make we talk. Now the thing where would they see? See yesterday now. Governor Fire say he get accident. Thank God say he did alive. We give thanks to God. He did alive. Uja bless. Nobody can curse. He did alive. What about Sule Lamido? The same thing. Something like that. Accident happened to his life. Now, these people, now they say they want to become president. Why things they happen to them like this? We don't know. I'm not trying to say that Buhari or APC people. I'm just giving a point. My people, these people in government, they are disgrace. This APC. Oh, again, let me not forget. Let me give thanks to those South governors, the Southern governors. They just had a meeting a few days ago in Lagos. The governor of Lagos was the chairman, Robo Shola, Baseki, and the rest. And all the Southern governors, they were all there. They had that meeting. That they are pushing for restructuring. That is what I said. Restructuring. Without something must be done. Nigeria cannot remain like this. And the credit go to Nnamdi Kanu wherever una put am, wherever he is. Because na him start this things. Time they come, we go bring him out. They go bring him out and carry him, go bring him out. We go give him the honor way due to them. Now, because of people, many people don't open eyes. I tell them, say, una not fit just push that man come out like that. The one we na do before from Kensaro, we were those people who na kill, Bola Ige, the Abiola, Kudirat. No, I say this one no go like that. All right. Because now him push for this restructuring where the South going to get mine now. See, they need restructuring. We got to bring this federalism. We got to talk about the way forward of our country. It cannot remain like this. This tribalism need to stop. If we now want to make Nigeria 50 day, tribalism must stop. I praise these governors. We feel older because they get this governor forum for the North. But South not get out. Now the North is benefiting from the disunity in the South. So are they happy now? Una brain don't they catch something now? You don't they accept the truth now? Make una not forget that man in the Kano. I dey always talk him. I like him because he open many people eye. Waiting me they plan for mind. Waiting I even they fear to do him. He just come out from nowhere begin do him. That's why I like him. That's why I dey respect him. I don't care what una talk. I go always respect that guy. Thank you.